And now welcome to our next segment, Guest Host Chef Kitchen.
आमच्या वांगडा आसतले फेमस आणि स्पेशलाइज्ड असे शेफ.
We will take the experts' advice and yes, steal the secrets from them.
आज आमच्या वांगडा आसात शेफ शिवा. वेलकम शिवा.
Welcome, Mr. Shiva.
Hello.
So what is the secret that you are revealing today?
Today's recipe is going to be mushroom fantasy, which is quite commonly available in the market, and we're going to make a very nice and a tasty and very easy to prepare preparation. And before we look into the procedure of making the dish, let us have a look at the ingredients that are required: onions, garlic, peppers, breadcrumbs, flour, salt and pepper, parsley, of course the main ingredient mushrooms, oil, cheese and the eggs. Now we will see how exactly we need to prepare the thing. And mushrooms, when I talk about mushrooms, I hope everybody understands that it is not a vegetable, it is not a meat, but it is a fungus. It is a kind of a fungus. And just to give you information, there are thousands of varieties of mushrooms available all over India. And the best part is most of them are poisonous, which maybe most of the people are not aware of. Most of them are poisonous, and some of them, and whatever the mushrooms what we are using today are the button mushrooms, which are commercially grown. And apart from that, we have a wide variety of mushrooms available in the market. And most of the European cuisine, they use wild mushrooms, and freshly picked from the farm or from the wild. They use them to prepare many of the dishes. Today we will use the button mushrooms, which are normally used available in the market, and we'll go ahead with the recipe. And these mushrooms, we just need to pick them up and wash them nicely. Then we just need to remove the stem. Carefully, we just need to remove the stem without breaking the thing. Once it is done, we just need to blanch all the mushrooms. Okay? Yeah, now it is done. We just need to strain the mushrooms.
Mr. Shiva, can we use the locally available
Yes,
mushrooms?
of course. We can use, and the only thing is here when you are mincing this particular thing, you need to be careful. Careful in the sense you need to make it really fine. It shouldn't be very big chunks of mushrooms. Take your time, but ensure you chop them properly and chop them very fine. Okay. Now mince is done. Add the chopped stems of mushrooms. Add chopped onions, a spoonful, a little bit of a garlic, few chopped peppers. Here it can be, today we are using the yellow peppers, it can be red peppers, it can be green peppers, there shouldn't be any problem.
To get in the color variation.
Yes, exactly. And then seasoning, which is salt and crushed pepper.
You're using fresh pepper.
Fresh crushed pepper. Okay, and just little bit of a flour to give the binding. I mean, because it's gonna stuffed and then it is gonna be fried. When it is getting fried, it shouldn't spread out. That is the reason we'll try to add little bit of a flour into that, which gives the binding. Okay, and now with this mixture, you just mix everything properly. Just a little bit of chopped parsley to finish. Once the mixture is ready, you just have to put it back to the mushrooms caps.
So you fill in the caps.
Yes. Ensure you stuff it tightly so that it will be much better while you are frying, so that it won't spread out. Now the stuffing is done. Now we need to coat the mushrooms with 3 different ingredients, which was already mentioned when we are looking at the ingredients. These are flour, egg and the breadcrumbs. Just top it up with the cheese after the stuffing is done. before you go for the crumbing.
Cheese is definitely optional, or it is required for the.
It is better. I mean, if you go for the cheese, definitely most of the people do love cheese.
Yes, truly.
And this gives, along with the mushrooms. I mean, it is not that people love cheese. It is with the mushrooms, it goes really well.
Okay.
Okay. Now we are ready for the crumbing procedure. The first thing is the flour. Just put everything into the flour. Dust it with flour. Put them into egg.
This you have taken the whole egg, right?
Yes, just the whole egg. And once it is coated with the egg, just drop them into breadcrumbs.
I think egg also acts as a binder.
Yes. Start with the crumbing procedure. You just need to coat it properly from all sides. And please ensure that you do this crumbing procedure with your dry hands.
Okay.
Now it is ready to fry. You can straight away go, and we just need to have the preheated oil.
We can also shallow fry. Is it possible, or deep fry is better?
Deep fry is always preferred,
Okay.
because while you are shallow frying, most of the coating will just
Coating will
move off. You just need to ensure the stuffing is cooked, and at the same time it is not burnt again.
Okay.
It shouldn't be, this is the perfect color, the golden brown color.
What is this, Mr. Shiva?
This is just the sauce what I just prepared with the mixing of cream, fresh cream and the mustard.
Mustard. Mustard paste.
Yeah, mustard paste or mustard powder can be used.
Okay.
This is given as a accompaniment.
Okay.
And here we go, our fried mushrooms. Sprinkle a little bit of chopped parsley.
It's ready?
Yeah, it's ready to taste. Here we go.
Okay,
I
so
hope you enjoy.
Yes. So the mushroom fantasy is ready. Something very innovative and very creative. I cannot wait. So I will taste it. Very nice. And the surprisingly yumminess, The ingredients are used which we use regularly in our kitchen.
हे सगळे ingredients तुमकां easily मार्केटात मेळूंक शकतात. टेस्टी आसा.
It's really tasty. Try it at home. This secret comes directly from chef, so don't miss it.
मशरूम फॅन्टसी. साहित्य: कानो, लसूण, हळदुवी मिरसांग, मिरयां पूड, अळमी, मीठ, मैदो, ब्रेड क्रम्स, ऑलिव्ह ऑयल, चीज, तांतयां आनी पार्सली. पयलीं अळम्यांचे देठ काडून घेवप. अळमी आनी देठ उकडून घेवप. देठ बारीक चिरून घेतले की तातूंत कानो, लसूण, हळदुवी मिरसांग, मिरयां पूड, मीठ, मैदो हें सगळें मिक्स करप. हें सगळें अळम्यांनी भरप. अळम्याच्या वयर चीज लावप. मागीर मैद्यान घालप. ते उपरांत फेटिल्ल्या तांतयान बुडोवन काडप. मागीर ताका ब्रेड क्रम्स लावप आनी ते तेलान तळप. आमची मशरूम फॅन्टसी इज रेडी.
So this was our journey in search of good food and just good food.
तुमच्या एरियात जर असे काही लोकल फूड जॉइंट्स असतात आणि तांची काहीतरी स्पेशालिटी असतात जाल्यार आमकां कळयात.
And we will be there to bite it.
तुम्ही आमकां SMS करू शकतात 9011043343 or 92. For now, bye bye.
Bite, eat and stay connected with us.
Don't forget to watch our next episode at the same time and same day.
Join us to explore some new famous food joints.
Keep watching Prudent Media. आता मेरे पूरी उकली आली है.
पता नहीं, जरा बोला. So this was our journey.
This program brought to you by Guesto Culinary and Hospitality Academy. Guesto, cook and taste with a difference.
Watch Guesto's Bite It on every Friday at 7:30 in the evening and 9:30 at night. You can also watch it on Sunday at 11:30 in the morning and 6 o'clock in the evening. On Tuesday, 12:30 in the afternoon and 5 o'clock in the evenings.